Hey guys, so today I'm back with another video and I'm going to be doing some statistics. So this is definitely more of a hard math for middle school topic, but even if you're not in that book right now, that's fine. I think you'll still like this video. So basically what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be finding the mean, median, mode, and range of the number of plates in each plate set in my house. So I don't know if you guys know this, but we actually have a lot of plates in my house. And so I'm going to be counting them all up, and I'm going to be sort of coming up with a few statistics to describe the numbers of plates that we have. Alright, so we've got 3 different plate sets in this cabinet, so let's count. Alright, this one over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12. This one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so we've got 9, 4, and 12. All right, so now we're tackling this cabinet, which has a lot of plates. I even had to take some of them out to help. So we're starting with these ones down here. And these are a whale plate set. Looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And this fish plate set, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we'll keep going with the smaller plates in this cabinet. So starting with these small plain blue ones. Let's see how many of those we have.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then in this next smaller set beneath it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then in this octopus set here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These small little boat ones over here, we have 4 of them. We have these small whale ones, we've got 4 of those as well. Small octopus ones, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next up are these, I don't know what you'd call these kind of geometric ones. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those, and the ones beneath it, no idea what they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, next cabinet here, we've got our vegetable plates. So it looks like, let's see, we've got
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of those.
all right, this cabinet here is next, so let's open it up and see what is inside. Now we're on to the fancy crystal dishes. Now this cabinet contains what we usually use as our outdoor dishes. All right, now these are just our regular kitchen dishes. So here is the final list of all of the numbers of plates in each of the plate sets. I do want to say, as it says here, we do actually have more plates, as crazy as that sounds, but they were just too hard to reach. I would have had to stand on counters and everything and unpack boxes, so I wasn't going to do that. I did, however, make this dot plot to represent all of the different plate sets that we looked at. So just as a refresher, each one of these dots represents one of the plate sets that we looked at. So this is going to help us answer some questions about the statistics involved here. And we're going to start with the easiest, and then we're going to get to the hardest. So our first question is about range. What is our range going to be? Well, to get the range, what we have to do is we have to subtract the smallest data point from the largest. So in this case, the highest is going to be 24. You can see this dot up here, and the lowest is going to be 2, this dot down here. So 24 minus 2 is 22, so our range is 22 plates. Next up is mode, and that one's not too difficult either. All we have to do is remember that mode is the most common data point. So all we have to do is look at our dot plot and look at which is the highest stack. Now, it looks like we have 2 pretty high stacks, above 4 and 12, but it looks like that 12 one is taller. And if we count up, we'll find that yes, 9 different sets had 12 plates in them, and so that makes that the mode of our data set. Next up is median, and we're getting a little trickier here. Instead of using the dot plot, I could have used the dot plot, but I decided to rewrite out all of my different data points. And this time I did it from smallest to largest. So you can see we start with 2 and go up to 24. And then I started crossing out, starting at each end. So I crossed off 1 from each end, and I kept going like that until I had 2 in the middle here. So it's a 9 and a 9, which means that our median is going to be 9 plates. finally, we have mean, and that one was definitely the hardest, but I was able to solve it without the calculator, so you should be able to as well. So again, what I did is I rewrote all of those data points there, again, starting smallest to largest, and then I made my guess about what do I think this mean is going to be. My guess was 10. I didn't necessarily think it would be 10, but I thought that would be a nice, easy number to guess. Then I rewrote each of my numbers and expressed them as how far away they each were from my guess. So for instance, this 4 here is 6 less than my guess of 10, so I wrote it as a -6. And I did that for all of the numbers, whether they're above 10 or below. In total, all of these differences from 10 added up to 45 below 10. So to find my final mean, I'm going to have to do 10 minus 45 over 38. 38 is the number of sets that I looked at. Now, when you do a little fraction math there, that ends up being 8 and 31/38. So that is our mean. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm here actually with one of our many plates, and I'm eating some cookies. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, let me know what you want to see next.